Hey guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at this question. This question is of 2 marks. And how will you solve it? So remember, when you have two different type of functions multiplied with each other, then it is from by parts of integration type. So if you look at this, looks like a algebraic function. It is an algebraic function. If you look at e to the power x, it's an exponential function. When you talk about Lie, you can use that process and solve this. But there's a special case in Lie, right? The case is if you have integral e to the power x bracket f of x plus f dash x dx, then you don't have to apply by parts to these two separately. You can straight away write the answer as e to the power of x plus c. Right? If you guys are aware of this form, then this is what you have to use because it's a 2 mark question. So do not go and take 5, 6 steps to solve it, right? What you need to do is you need to rewrite this function in this form. Right now, if you see e to the power x is outside, which is good, but you do not see two separate terms inside the bracket. So what do? We do split division. Write e to the power x first so that you can look at that form. Let me zoom in. So what you can do, 4 upon x to the power 5 minus x upon x to the power 5 dx. Let's simplify this. So x and x to the power 5 will cancel. This will become power 4. And we are gonna bring these expressions in the denominator in the numerator. So x to the power 5 when brought up becomes x to the power minus 5 minus x to the power minus 4 dx. Now all you have to check is one function differential of the other? It could be anything. This could x to the power minus 4 could be a differential of this or the other way around. Because you guys have already, I hope you have already learned differentiation. So if you differentiate this part, what do you get? You get, let's differentiate this, x to the power minus 4. If you differentiate, what do you get? Minus 4 x to the power minus 5. So you see that you are getting this, but there is a minus sign which needs to be taken care. So in short, our fx will also take minus in it, so that if you place a minus here, this minus and this minus will become plus, right? Reason being, there has to be a plus between your f dash x. Okay, so we are gonna write this as one more step, e to the power x bracket, you will write minus x to the power minus 4. Now remember, this is our fx. Okay, this is our f of x. Then you'll write plus 4x to the power minus 5 dx. This is our f dash x. Right? We have already seen this over here. So that's it. Once you do it, you can simply write the answer as, let me go to the next page. Your answer will become, hence the answer is e to the power x minus x to the power minus 4 plus c, or minus e to the power x upon x to the power 4 plus c. That is our answer.